So here's Leonard from Germany.
And here's Victor from Poland.
I'm Kai from Spain.
I'm Silvia from Spain.
Hey, so my name is Hania from Poland.
And my name is Marianka from Poland.
I'm Eloy from Spain.
I'm Ruben from Spain.
So, what was your favorite activity here?
My favorite activity here was the day that we went to Helsinki and we visit all the city.
Okay.
Me too.
Did you like the food here? The meals. Wait.
Yeah, I think it was good, better than in Spain.
Like the school here?
I think there are many people from different countries, and
I think the best of Finland are the people because they are so nice and kind. And the Boris.
What was your favorite activity here? Jacob, start.
So my favorite activity here was the group work with the international Erasmus group.